Hi, my name is Allison, and this is my slide design project. I chose Nike as my brand and used their campaign for motivating women. They came out with a few ads to empower female athletes and just women in general. And I chose this one that says, "Her sky has no limit." I'm sorry for the crappy quality. It definitely didn't look like this in InDesign. I may have just exported it wrong. I'm not really sure, so sorry about that. But anyways, we're going to take a look at a few principles in this ad. So, Nike uses a very simple design for this ad. It's simply an image of an athlete with a black background, and this allows a lot of attention to be focused on the motivational message as well as the brand's logo and slogan. It isn't extremely busy, and I think that helps the viewer get straight to the point and easily understand the design. Next, I'm going to address this ad's typography. Again, something I admire is the simplicity. They use their regular font, which is Futura Extra Bold Condense, for the "Her Sky Has No Limit" message. It's a sans serif font, so it goes along with its "Just Do It" slogan, and it's not too showy, if that makes sense. Okay, next we're going to look at the color used in this ad. They went with just a black and white scheme, again contributing to its simple feel. The photography of the athlete is black and white, and it's against an all black or dark background. And along with that, it's white lettering for its main message, its "Just Do It" slogan, and their Nike swoosh logo as well. This white is contrasting to the black background, which is allowing it to stand out and be very apparent to the viewer. Okay, now this is the new ad I created for the campaign, and I did a couple things to it to keep it consistent with the original ad. So I chose an image of a female athlete to fit the theme, and I wrote my own message saying, do what everyone else only dreams of. I also added the Nike slogan and the logo as well down at the bottom to kind of match the original ad. So I kept it simple. I used a black and white photo against the dark background, and the contrasting white lettering again as well. I chose another sans serif font. It's not exactly like the original, but it was most closely related, kind of looking like it to the original, for my message and the logo. And I think that my ad closely relates to the original, using principles such as design, typography, and color. Thank you.